3 weeks ago, I enrolled in my MBA program at UC Berkeley. And in about 2 weeks from now, the first class of the first term is formally going to begin. And that makes me so excited, but man, I'm just really, really nervous and anxious. The last 3 weeks have been about how to enjoy summer the best way we can with the time that we have given everything going on. We went to a drive-in movie and saw Jurassic Park. I've never been to a drive-in movie before, so that was cool. Last week we went to an oyster farm and grabbed some oysters from a place that we really, really like. And this week we are here, and Leezel found this company called Getaway, which is what is behind me. Getaway is essentially a tiny house cabin that you can rent out in the wilderness and be disconnected from the city, from the internet. For those of you who know me, I typically every year will go on a camping trip by myself, a little solo trip. And this year I'm not going to do that, but I do have Leezel with me, and that's been awesome, traveling to this new experience. So this is like a marsh that during the winter and the springtime is actually looks like a lake, and in the summertime it's completely dry. So it looks just like a long flat field. The trail is pretty much like a grass trail, which makes for a nice hike, especially for Baxter, whose paws are very, very sensitive. Who's a happy dog? There's a deer right there. Baxter, come on. Until the next annual camping trip, my name is Angelo, and thanks for watching.